Hey, hi everyone. Today I'm going to explain about the usage of Smart PLS. All right, some of the simple features that I would like to share, especially opening a new project. So if you look at the screen here, uh, when you click the button on the top here, it will create new project. So before we do that, we have to create a new workspace. This is important for the first time user because if you click here, it means that you need to create a folder and then select the folder. Okay, select folder where all the data file will be stored in that folder. After you do that, then you can actually create a new project. When you key in this new project, right? The button new project here, you can put any name, right? Let's say, for example, RU2, for example, you create, all right? So if you look at the screen here, you need to import the data. So when we click import data, click the Excel file that you wanted to import. That is, let's say, for example, REI4. Okay, make sure this file is under the CSV format, not the normal worksheet. Okay, so once you did that, you can always click import, and this screen will appear. And then what you need to do next is you press back. Okay, press back, and then you create model. Can you see this part here? You create model, and you choose model type here as SEM, and the model name you can use back the same project name you choose earlier. All right, from here you can actually start creating your framework. For example, you use T, T1, T2, T3, and T4 as one of your variables. You click, you control click, and then you drag and let go. And then you type in your variable name, tangibility. Okay, then you press OK. Then you do the same thing for other variables. Maybe we pick E5, E5, E6, E7. Again, you click your mouse, uh, left click, and then you drag and drop. Empathy. Okay. And then this is your two, assuming this is your two independent variable. And then now we're going to click and drag and drop the dependent variable, which is the customer satisfaction. Okay, it's customer satisfaction uh, represented with five items here. Okay, we can always adjust. Okay, you can see the arrow here. You can always adjust, right? Adjust the direction of the arrow. And the next is we try to connect the variables. So what we're going to do is we are going to click connect here. Then the same thing, you click here, drag and drop. Okay, once the color turn to blue, you can start doing the calculations, analysis. You click complete, you press PLS SEM algorithm. Okay, So you don't have to change anything. You just press start calculations. Okay, if you can look at the diagram here, there's a numbering here. This is the output. Okay, the output here is critical. This two output is the path coefficient, which is the beta value. The higher number means the stronger prediction or contribution or impact to the DV. Okay, these are uh, the loading score of each item. Normally, the loading score should be higher than 0.4. This 0.387 is the R square. So the R square here means that the percentage, how this tangibility and empathy explain customer satisfaction. So these two variables actually explain 38.7%. All right. So these are some of the output of the analysis. The next, actually, you can look at the left-hand side column here. You can always see click the construct reliability and validity. You can always see the compound alpha score and composite reliability score, and also the AVE. Right. So what we see here is uh, compound alpha. You see this one, composite reliability row C, and we will take this figure AVE. So compound alpha and composite reliability number features should be more than 0.7, but you can see this is low. But however, the good part is composite reliability, the figure is high. So this can actually supersede compound alpha value. Okay, AVE score should be more than 0.5. This is about the reliability and validity score. If you click at discriminant validity, this score HTMT must be above 0. Sorry, it's supposed to be below 0.85. Okay, so if it's below 0.85, so it shows that all the items are valid. Okay, another function here is you can go back to the graphical output here, and you can try to find out the p value and the t value. Okay, so this is a very important value. Later we're going to find out whether the relationship here is significant or not. So we press edit, and then we calculate again, go bootstrapping, and then turn this to one tail. Okay, and then start calculations. Okay, so this is the p value. So when they look at the graphical output structure model here, you can always choose to see path coefficient and p value. So from here, you can see the p-value, which is below 0.05, is considered significant. This is not significant. Empathy to customer satisfaction is not significant, but tangibility to customer satisfaction is considered significant. There's a significant relationship. Okay, the t-value, of course, you can also look at this part here. The t-value here must be more than 1.645. So obviously, tangibility and customer satisfaction shown higher than 1.645 in terms of t value. So it again shows that this relationship is significant. Okay, so this is consider the hypothesis testing. So based on hypothesis testing, we can always say that the tangibility has a significant relationship to customer satisfaction, which is supporting the hypothesis, but empathy to customer satisfaction is rejection of the hypothesis. Okay, so I think this is all about the basic function of smart PLS. Thank you.